Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently in Goa for my birthday trip and I'm having the best time. But I have to do the intro to this video because I have been shooting just in a continuous format. The last few vlogs have just been us at home organizing and like settling into the new house, but that's just what's happening at the moment because I've been shooting like continuously almost every day of the week. There is no breaks in the middle. Like I've not realized where I'm going to start a video and where it's going to end. So that's why I'm doing this intro and I hope that you enjoy. Hi guys. I'm in my pajamas still, but I didn't vlog anything yesterday because we were just getting stuff organized. And we started our day with a very long grocery shopping trip and we bought a lot of stuff, a lot of utensils also that we needed. Pan, pressure cooker, kadhai, all of these things. And then a big grocery list also. Bought all the masalas and sugar, atta, chawal, namak, all of these essential things. Look at this golden boy in our golden sunlight. He's just careful. Leo. We've blocked off the staircase. Hello. Where are you going, sir? No. Leo, come. Let's go out. Come, come. Careful, careful, careful. Slow, slow. Come, slow, slow. Come on, let's go out. Chalo, I'm going. Tata. I'm going. Bye. No, no, slow, slow. Good. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Good boy. Come. Come, 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 come. Slow, 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 slow. Very good. Oh, so cute. He's just come from a bath, a shower that he had to take for very, very long overdue. So that's why his hair is all spiky. I find it so cute when his hair is like this. Come. Again you're going. Again. Leo. He just wants to explore till he's tired and then he'll come and sleep. Anyway. We needed some containers and I quickly placed an order yesterday on Amazon for 1-day delivery. I'm very excited to see. Yesterday we got the gas pipeline installed and that's why we have a gas stove right now and we can cook. Before that we were just ordering food because we didn't have a gas. So yesterday was our first like home cooked meal, which actually Addie cooked for us last night. So we watched the new Stranger Things episodes. Oh, these are very big. These are meant to be spice containers. I just checked. These actually fit perfectly in the drawer, like exact mark. That was my concern. So I'm happy this doesn't have to go back. For 1-day delivery, I've only got 6 containers. So 6 masalas will have to take priority. Another box that I've ordered, again, storage containers. Leo, take. What's this? This dog is just not sitting. The next containers that I have, airtight containers. Doesn't seem very tight, but this dhakkan. Good morning, sir.
Hi guys, good morning. I was about to show you guys my empty closet
I think I should go back. So this is actually Addie's closet, which he wants to show. Ta-da-da-da.
I went for a closet without doors. थोड़ा challenging था मेरे लिए क्योंकि मेरा closet कभी साफ नहीं होता है. But I'll make sure कि ये थोड़ा presentable लगे 24/7. And ऊपर भी मेरे पास एक पुराने घर का क्लोजेट है जो 4 फीट का है, आप लोगों को याद होगा तो उसमें मेरे बाकी सारे कपड़े हैं ही. So as of now, this is somewhere I'll like tang out my trousers and everything. And this would be my watches के लिए जगह.
Wow.
And
the sunlight is just changing how this is looking on camera, but
यहाँ पे I'll hang my blazers and jackets. मुझे लगता है कि
I think I should come this
time. इन चीजों को. And then यहाँ पे drawers में I can keep my clothes, shoe storage, so I can easily put like 3 pairs and 3-4 pairs ऊपर भी. Unless I have 2 of them, so मेरे आराम से like
all done.
10 पेयर तो आ ही सकते हैं, बाकी ऊपर रख सकता हूँ मैं. So that's all.
Perfect. Now he's going to start arranging all of his stuff in these closets. I will actually do a detailed one of my closet later, but that's it for Addie's. Today we got a call from Isha saying she's coming back tonight. So I'm very excited. She actually called to ask, she's like, if I can stay at your place because the fire evacuation thing has happened and obviously our house and the whole building is shut off. I was like, are you crazy? Like, I'm so happy that you're coming. It's very unfortunate, the fire thing that has happened, but I'm just getting everyone to my house, and it, I feel like, is also a very sweet way for us to start living in this house, like with everyone. Maybe me and Addie will feel very sad when it gets empty, but she's coming. Let's go. But right now, this moving in period has felt very wholesome and cozy, and let's go.
Yes. Hello. What's up? What's up?
Oh, come inside, Leo, come.
Girl, हमारी house guest आ गए. I know.
How was your flight?
Very good. Took off on time.
Huh.
On time. Very nice flight. Good job.
Welcome back. Today, Khushi is actually, she's getting that job.
You've never seen me here before. To the kitchen.
Yeah, this is the first dish that she's making.
That means that we are all making. I'm not doing anything alone.
She's come to do the kadchi.
Yeah.
She's making Thai chicken and rice. Rice is already made. She's literally just come to do. It's already burnt. First thing we've made is burnt. Shit.
ये डालना तो नहीं है हम ये.
इसमें डालना है.
What we've ended up with is perfection, guys.
According to Addie.
Yeah, everyone taunted us a lot, but in the end we have come out of it. Oh my god, did I make it worse? Is it not clean? It is, I think. Hi guys, I am back in the car. I feel like I have stepped out of the house after very long, but sometimes, honestly, I don't even realize how much time I spend at home, and I just, should I remove my glasses? Yeah. And I just stay at home without realizing how many days have gone by. So now that I've come out and I've sat in my car, it feels like I've come out from like a zombie apocalypse where I've just been in my house, and now I'm seeing the outside world after so long. It sounds very dramatic, but that's just how dramatic I am. That's how it is in my head. But I'm actually going from this house to my old house. That's what I'm doing. I'm not even getting out anywhere. I'm literally going to my old house. So far, after the fire, I have gone there once, and there is still a lot of electrical work that's happening, so only the lifts have started and there's no electricity in the building. You can't stay there basically, so I'm going there before sunlight goes because I have a shoot tomorrow and I need some of my clothes. The brands have specific outfit colors. If you don't know this about brand shoots, brand guidelines literally come with what outfit color you're supposed to wear, what jewelry you're supposed to wear, what your nail color should be. They are literally making all the decisions for you. Extreme control. They want extreme control. They want to tell you how to speak. They want to tell you what the script should be like, which makes sense. You're paying the creators. But I feel like telling people what to wear and what your nail color should be and all of this, it's a little too much. I have 3 shoots tomorrow and day after, so I just need to get organized. It's so weird coming to an empty house. It feels crazy. My house is never empty. It's so weird just walking into the house with nobody here. Pin drop silence. Leo is not here. It's so weird. I've just come to take my clothes, but I'm not used to this. Guys, how? Oh my god. I haven't vlogged anything from yesterday because I'm not sick, but I have so much pain right from my nose all the way to my head and then even my throat. So it's like you know, when you're about to fall sick, you get that, your body gives you that warning. Like I'm going to get a cold, but I'm not getting the cold and I'm not getting the fever, but I'm feeling like I'm going to. So I didn't vlog anything yesterday, but I came back home from my other house and then I got ready and left for dinner with Addy because we completed a month of being husband and wife. It's gone by so quickly. It feels crazy. But anyway, this morning I have a full face of makeup, hair is done, I've dyed it right now, and this lipstick. I've actually shot for a brand video. I shot for K Beauty. They've launched 12 matte lipsticks, but this is one of the shades and it looks so nice. I think this is called Mulberry Cashmere, if I'm not wrong. Addy's gone to the kitchen to actually bring me. He ordered this for me, guys. So cute, because this is not something that is easily available in Bombay at least. Addy actually ordered vignettes for me. If you don't know what it is, I'll put it up on the screen. But the last time that I had it was, I think, when I was in LA. Or maybe there's a place in Bandra, I think, which my friend has shown me. Oh my god. We have the chocolate one and we have this, which is my favorite. This is the normal, like, original one, which doesn't have any filling inside, but it comes with powdered sugar. You're supposed to put the sugar in the box, close the box, and then shake it up, and then it's all coated in powdered sugar. It's so good. It's very close to like a donut, but like a plain donut, not a filled wala donut. This is the chocolate version, which has also maybe like a bombolini, if you've had a bombolini. Have a bite. This is from the Notting Hill Bakery. Look at the light in this room. It's so beautiful. This time of the day, it's just golden light all over the house because all the rooms in the house actually face this view. We have a lot of natural light throughout the house, obviously in the daytime also, but this is the evening sunset time, and there is a huge difference between my phone and the camera footage, so I want to show you. So this is the camera and what the light looks like in this, and this is the phone, and you can tell that there is a clear difference. Sometimes the phone just gives better clarity and the golden light looks beautiful, but even in this it looks nice. Anyway, I was thinking of organizing my closet, but I haven't done like an empty closet door. Okay, so I switched to my phone because obviously the light is much better on my phone. So this is my closet behind me. I've already shown Addie's closet, which is on this side. The closet actually is in an L shape because that's the way the room is. So first we have this wardrobe, which basically just has like a half door, जिसमें कोई सेंस नहीं बनता है, but this glass only comes in one size. तो जो भी बचा कुचा था उन्होंने छोटा सा दरवाजा दे दिया हमको ये, बट है एक्चुअली एक ही कबर्ड अंदर से, इट्स नॉट लाइक हाफ एंड हाफ. सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक शेल्फ स्टोरेज हियर व्हिच आई माइट ईदर पुट लाइक डेकोरेटिव स्टफ सो दैट व्हेन आई शूट फ्रॉम हियर फ्रॉम दैट एंगल दिस विल बी माय बैकड्रॉप. एंड देन आई हैव these drawers here which are quite spacious. I must add, like one drawer can be my makeup stuff because I have a lot of makeup at home जो मैं यहाँ लाई नहीं हूँ अब तक. And the main thing is I don't have a vanity in this room. मतलब I don't have a dressing table to sit and do my makeup. So right now I'm doing it in the washroom mirror, but I need to bring a table here so that I can shoot videos. This light is just, I am loving it, guys. So then we have drawers. All these drawers are the same, नीचे वाले, except for this one last wire वाला drawer. And just take a moment to appreciate my outfit also. Just I'm at home. I like to be comfy. So this is the Pax wardrobe system and you can fully customize it however you want. And this last thing you can't really do anything because this is the wire basket that they have. And I don't know iska kya karu main. Maybe I'll make this like a laundry basket or put shoes in it. Then we have this cross L section and this actually opens up like this fully. So there's a lot of space inside. What I didn't want is that this cross wala part में space हमारा waste हो जाए if we get two separate cupboards. So now we have this whole space, and guys, just for reference, like this cupboard is huge. Just for reference. ये काफी बड़ा cupboard है. And I thought I can get hanging space here, and then I have one drawer here with a trouser hanging thing, जिसमें मेरे actually ज़्यादा trousers आएंगे नहीं, but maybe that means कि मैं कम कपड़े लेके आऊँ यहाँ पे. Then I have these drawers on this side. Then moving on to this section, this is actually the big hanging section. I have two, एक यहाँ पे है, एक on that side है. When you open it, I've put lights inside. इस सब में ही मेरा बिल बढ़ते गया है ये क्लोजेट बनाने में. हम like lights हर shelf में चाहिए. And then when I was placing the order, they ran out of lights. उनकी light का stock खत्म हो चुका है. So I only have lights in these two cupboards. And इन दोनों के लिए मुझे actually lights अब मंगानी है. And then वो add होंगे. That's maybe when I'll make my reel, guys. मैं उसके लिए wait कर रही हूँ. This is the hanging. And what I've seen people do on reels is put two shelves of hanging. So when you have like crop tops, chote tops and small things, you can utilize two of these. So maybe later on I might add one more shelf. They actually forgot to give me my drawer, जो jewelry वाला है, क्योंकि वो भी out of stock था. So maybe I'll order that later. And then again, these नीचे का shelves are all big long drawers, which actually I can utilize to put my gym wear, pajamas, all of that stuff. And then again, this has a wire basket. And last is this side, which again, with the lights, it looks really nice. And then these bottom ones are all shoe trolleys, which I hadn't seen before in IKEA. मुझे पता भी नहीं था ऐसे वाले हैं. Like for example, Addy के हैं. आपको दिखा सकते हो. So Addy has these pull-out trays, which he's already kept his shoes in. And they look really nice. But because his wardrobe is थोड़ा लंबा वाला and उसने ये section में डाला है, he's got this size. And मेरा छोटा section है तो I've got this. So I'm thinking to mostly keep all of my heels in this one, जो will look nice in the cupboard. And then we're also going to do a separate shoe storage outside because we have a lot of shoes and where to put them. So I have 3 of these, जिसमें I think I can do 2 pairs, 12 pairs is good enough if I can fit them. Like पतले होंगे तो fit हो जाएंगे. But that's what my closet looks like, and I want to make this transition video where I do this and then all the lights in the wardrobe come on. But I wanted to do that empty, So for now, I'm just going to put all of my everyday clothes, like my pajamas and everything, because I have to open my suitcase for every single thing that I need. So I'm just going to put like whatever I need everyday basis pe, like in one corner here, and then when the lights come, we can.
लगता है आपको पानी की जरूरत है थोड़ी.
Yeah, I just need some water now.
It's a normal Saturday weekend.
Actually भूल भी गई थी मैंने क्या मंगाया था.
क्योंकि 2024 का ऑर्डर है वो, अब खोला तूने. 2024 अक्टूबर लिखा हुआ है उसमें.
October 2020. I think this is another problem. एक साल बाद पार्सल खोलने का कि मैंने क्या मंगाया.
Of course, you are the main character of your life.
ठीक है, not bad. लगाएंगे कब? Cringing a little.
इसमें क्या है?
ये आई थिंक और आर्टवर्क्स हैं विदाउट फ्रेम. ये अच्छा है. I have no idea इसमें क्या है.
तभी तो देखना चाहता हूँ मैं. Want to see.
कौन हूँ मैं?
Ease up, girl. Ease up. Okay? Don't be like that. Don't be like that.
पिज़्ज़ा को क्रॉप करके ऐसे ही डाल दो इसको.
दो है ना ये. दूसरा क्या है?
3 है.
Wow, that's even better.
कॉफी स्टेशन.
ये तो ठीक है, क्यूट है.
Really cringing at myself. I'm not joking. ये प्रिंट की क्वालिटी बहुत खराब है.
क्या है वो?
और ये किसके लिए मंगाया है मैंने?
पॉज बचे पुत्र.
क्यों मंगाया मैंने?
ध्यान डाल.
उसको फेंक दे. मैंने एक्चुअली पता नहीं साइट पे अच्छा लग रहा होगा.
You.
Trying to justify myself. Ease up.
Pause.
Do it for the plot. This was 2024, guys. My brain in 2024. अभी मैं ये डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाई.
ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है, 1 साल 3 महीने हुए हैं बस.
Coffee? Yes. You? Maybe.
Thank you.
इसको.
नहीं सही है, चल ठीक है. वो
Face masks. और ये मेरा पेंडिंग था ट्राई करना करते ही नहीं.
मेडिक्यू.
Pink collagen PDRN जेल मास्क. मैंने ये पूरी रात लगा के सोना है, एंड देन मॉर्निंग में वो ट्रांसलूसेंट हो जाता है. फिर उसको
तो आज लगाएगी फिर.
मेरा यही प्रॉब्लम है, मैं हमेशा वेट करती हूँ फॉर द मोमेंट.
Every day is a moment. Just live like that.
यही होता है अभी. तो अदर लोग हैं गंदे करना है. ऐसे नहीं साउंड कर रहा. दिखाओ मेरे 2 मास्क. और ये तो मेकअप की पोटली है मेरी. 1 2 3 4 5.
एंड 4-5 पड़ी हुई है, 4-5 अंदर भी पड़ी हुई है.
कैसे लग रहा है मेरा प्रेप्स? नीट एंड टाइडी. किचन प्रेप्स.
It's very neat.
रेफरेंस वीडियो. शेफ. पास्ता बॉइलिंग. इंग्रेडिएंट्स रेडी.
Hey Leo, will you have some pasta? बोल रहा सोने दे यार.
आज मेरा टर्न है
ना क्या
खाना
है?
बनाने का. एंड आज मैं बना रही हूँ गार्लिक
Cheesy.
cheesy creamy chicken pasta.
Cheesy is the keyword, okay? So please make it cheesy.
So we've got this Amul diced cheese, and then I think मुझे वो भी यूज करना चाहिए क्या?
Slice also. 1 or 2 maybe for the thickness of the gravy.
Guys, this is just the sins that I was meant to commit, but I didn't.
उसके छींटे नहीं आएंगे, डाल दो सारा एक साथ. अच्छे से सौते कर लो. गुड.
I hope you can hear me over the sizzle, but last I think 2-3 weeks से हम एक दूसरे को ऐसे reels भेज रहे हैं of these, you know, caramelized onion pasta. Even though I don't know कैसे taste करेगा, but we're just so tempted by these reels कि we're like, We'll make all of this in the new house.
One of those days.
Yeah, one of those days.
Chili oil should I open?
Hmm.
Because that's the next step, right?
Yes.
She has made some progress.
मेरा sous chef थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही heavily involved हो चुका है अभी. Exactly वो रील की तरह नहीं लग रहा. देखो मेरा रील बाजू में ही है. प्ले होते जा रहा है वो on low. उसको हम भूल चुके हैं बंद करना.
उसका बना दी ना बुंदू.
Oh shit क्या करना था?
इसके ऊपर ग्रेवी गिरानी थी बस.
Okay. पूरा डालने का मन नहीं कर रहा है मुझे.
डालना तो पूरा ही चाहिए.
Just added the final touch. धनिया अभी डाल दूँ या ऊपर से?
अभी भी है ऊपर से भी. Wow. This is
And actually caramelized
yeah.
onion है ना?
This is like mac and cheese but soya sauce के साथ.
And caramelized onion लग रहा है burned onion.
अच्छा लग रहा है जो भी लग रहा है.
If you don't like onion or even the taste of onion, you won't like this. But otherwise, it's very good.
I don't love it.